I got scammed. Don't be this person. We will discuss types of scams, stats and dollar losses, why many get scammed, how they draw you in, the hook that they use. Watch for the clues. Don't ignore the signs, pass the test. Types of scams. There are various types of scams, including 1. Phishing scams. Fraudulent attempts to obtain sensitive information like passwords or credit card details. 2. Identity theft. Stealing personal information to commit fraud or other crimes. 3. Online shopping scams. Fraudulent online stores or sellers that don't deliver products as promised. 4. Lottery or prize scams. Notifying individuals of a fake lottery win or prize and asking for payment to claim it. 5. Tech support scams. Pretending to be tech support to gain access to your computer or sell unnecessary services. 6. Romance scams. Building a romantic relationship to exploit emotions and request money. 7. Investment scams. Offering fake investment opportunities with promises of high returns. 8. Tax scams. Impersonating tax authorities to trick individuals into paying non-existent taxes. 9. Job or employment scams. Offering fake job opportunities to extract personal information or money. Why so many get scammed? Being scammed has become common since scammers have access to data and information around the world. Many scammers are derived from overseas in Africa, China, Russia, Singapore, and other countries. The internet allows this proliferation of scams, and photos can be snagged from online posts. New FTC data show consumers reported losing nearly $8.8 billion to scams in 2022. Newly released Federal Trade Commission data shows that consumers reported losing nearly $8.8 billion to fraud in 2022, an increase of more than 30% over the previous year. Younger adults ages 20 to 29 reported losing money more often than older adults ages 70 to 79. With an average of $136 lost per phishing attack, this amounts to $44.2 million stolen by cybercriminals through phishing attacks in 2021. Phishing attacks largely target victims through emails. In 2021, there was a global average of 16.5 leaked emails per 100 internet users. The percentage of Americans that have been scammed is 8%. They were personally victimized by scammers translates into roughly 21 million U.S. adults. Nevada leads the U.S. in investment scam losses, next is California, and then Washington State. To avoid phishing scams. 1. Verify emails. Check sender email addresses carefully, especially if the email requests sensitive information. 2. Look for red flags. Watch for spelling errors, generic greetings, or urgent language used to create a sense of urgency. 3. Avoid clicking suspicious links. Hover over links to preview the URL. If it looks suspicious, don't click on it. 4. Use two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible for an extra layer of security. 5. Double-check website URLs. Ensure the website URL is legitimate and secure. HAPS //. 6. Keep software updated. Regularly update your operating system and security software to protect against vulnerabilities. 7. Educate yourself. Stay informed about common phishing tactics to recognize and avoid potential scams. 8. Verify requests. If an email requests personal or financial information, verify its legitimacy by contacting the organization directly using official contact information. By staying cautious and following these practices, you can reduce the risk of falling victim to phishing scams. To avoid identity theft, consider regularly monitoring your financial statements using strong and unique passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, being cautious with personal information online, and shredding sensitive documents before disposing of them. To avoid online shopping scams, make purchases from reputable websites, use secure payment methods, be cautious with personal information sharing, read reviews, and double-check the website's legitimacy by looking for secure connections, HAPS, //, and contact information. Avoid lottery or prize scams by being skeptical of unsolicited messages claiming you've won, and never pay upfront fees to claim a prize. Verify the legitimacy of the organization and be cautious with sharing personal and financial information. Legitimate lotteries or contests won't ask for payment upfront. To avoid tech support scams, be cautious of unsolicited calls or pop-up messages claiming computer issues. Never give control of your computer to unknown callers. Don't provide personal or financial information. Use reputable security software and only seek tech support from official channels or trusted professionals. Avoid romance scams by being cautious with online relationships. Never sending money to someone you haven't met in person or haven't verified by a live video conversation. not photos. Also, never give them a naked photo showing your face that will allow them to blackmail you. You must verify the person's identity and do not fall for the barrage of photos. Be skeptical of requests for financial assistance or sensitive information. Stay vigilant and prioritize your safety in online interactions. They always ask you where you are from first so that they can figure out a location 100 miles or more away, so that you will send them gas or Uber/Lyft money. Or they will invite you over but need a gift card for their kids' entertainment. If they tell you that their cell phone is broke and cannot do video, run, block them, and leave. Avoid investment scams by thoroughly researching investment opportunities, verifying the legitimacy of financial advisors or firms, being skeptical of high returns with low risk, avoiding pressure to make quick decisions, and only investing through reputable and regulated platforms. Always prioritize due diligence and consult with trusted financial professionals. Do not go to any special web investment site that is based out of country. Always investigate it with the SEC website. To avoid employment scams, be cautious of job offers that seem too good to be true. Research the company and its reputation. Don't share sensitive personal information too early. Be wary of requests for payment or financial information, and use legitimate job search platforms. Verify the legitimacy of the employer before committing to anything. Verify that the person is who they say they are. Verify and do not send money. Do not believe the phone is broken. Do not visit strange, unsecure websites. Be skeptical and vigilant. If it seems too good, it is a scam. Do not join a brokerage that they send you to. Check it out first. Don't be in a hurry to join. FOMO is the fear of missing out. Don't seek love and relationship online. Go to the place and find the real. Never give out personal data, address, phone, IDs, credit cards, or sensitive photos. Don't be scammed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends.